Hi everyone, Anna Kessler here with a new tutorial, and today we're going to make a really fun, easy and cool flat box. So what you'll need is one 10.5 by 3 1/8 double-sided cardstock, and then a 6 by 6 solid color cardstock. And we are going to create some fold lines. So this box is really cool because it goes flat and you can send it in the mail. So we're going to score it at 1.5, 4.5, 6, and 9 lengthwise. So you can send this in the mail while it's completely flat, or you can hide it inside something and make it a part of a gift, or you can keep it completely 3D and fill it with something. So it has double purpose and it's really cool and easy to make. So this is the outside of our box. We're going to fold all the fold lines. And on this piece, on the 6 by 6 piece, we're going to score at 1.5 inches on all 4 sides. And that is basically it. It's really fast. You can make this under 5 minutes. You can make a bunch of them if you have an occasion or a dinner party or a holiday or something. So let's fold on all the lines and the other lines as well. And what we're going to do is take a ruler and make 4 diagonal score lines on the corners from where the fold lines are to the edge, to the corner on all 4 sides. So from where the score line is to the corner while it's folded, then we can go ahead and fold the corners as well. And if you're working with a cardstock, you might need a bone folder to really burnish those folds, because these are 2 layers of cardstock because it's folded. Now, when it's all folded, we're going to attach it to the outside. So you just apply glue to the square that it is in the center, like this. Apply the glue on that space only, and then attach it to the bottom like this, aligned with the first fold line, and of course with the edges as well. And now we need to close the walls, but we're not going to completely glue them because we need it to be flat when we want to. So we're going to fold the corners toward the inside like this, and then apply glue only to the inside, the little triangles on the inside, on this side and on the other side as well. And then we're going to glue it like this. We're going to repeat that on the other side. Apply glue to the little triangles on the inside and then glue them together. By not gluing the entire inside wall of the box, it allows us to flatten it if we need to. So basically our box is ready. Like, you can add a magnet here and then on the other side to secure it when you close it, or you can add a ribbon or a scotch or something. This is how it looks when it's closed. And I'm going to show you when you flatten it like this, close it like this, you can put it in an envelope and send it to someone. Isn't that cool? This is a really fun project. So I really hope you like this project. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.